Hey everyone, so this is in the homework for chapter 1. I want to show you how to use one of the data formats that's called Crunchit to make your graphs and to get some of the data, or to help you get some of the answers for the homework problems from the data that is provided. And I know that typically you'll use your TI-84 to do your calculations, but for example in question 7 it specifically says the data are not available in TI format. So in this question here, it's asking you to create a bar chart of the death instances by a death cause and arrange the bars from tallest to shortest. Well, there is no good way to arrange the bars from tallest to shortest, what I'm going to show you, but I'll at least show you how to make a bar chart. So I want to go ahead and download this data in Crunchit. So I'll click on Crunchit. And on the left-hand side, it kind of is like a spreadsheet in a way. And what I want to do is I want to make a graph. And so at the top, I have, for example, my headings. So I'm going to select the graphics to create a graph. And this would be a bar chart, and I want to use the raw data to create this bar chart. So I'd go down there to the bar chart and select raw data. My sample, I need to select where I want to get the sample from, and my sample are death causes. And I'm not going to worry about any of the other parameters. And then I'll click on Calculate. And so this is my bar chart. There's no way for me that I can figure out right now to arrange the bars by height. Sometimes that is seen or named as a Pareto chart. But if you were interested, you could also create another type of a chart, which would be a frequency diagram, and that is under the statistics. So if I go to frequency table, and again my sample will be death cause. If I click on Calculate, this gives you the actual counts of those deaths. So for example, a cancer had almost 2,000 counts, or the number of deaths in this data set. Almost twice as many, or more than twice as many as any of the other ones. So that's how you use Crunchit to analyze that data. For I believe this is question number 7. I don't know if your questions will be randomized for you on your homework, but when you run across this, that's how to handle that bar chart.